Hello, how's everybody doing today? Playing the Humphreys this time. Don't play it very often. Not real fond of the boat. It can be a good boat, but it's too big. It feels more like a cruiser. It has good guns. They're not awesome, but it has pretty effective guns.
Action stations.
Torpedoes are okay, but it's just kind of,
Acknowledged.
I don't know. What's the word I'm looking for? Sluggish? It's just a little bit big and a little bit slow compared to my usual playing style. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the boat, it's just too big. Kind of sluggish. And we're pushing up to A. They're not supposed to be any aircraft carriers in this game, but they snuck in a hybrid on the enemy team. And he kind of harasses me a little bit, you'll see.
Engine boost
I
activated.
think these hybrids need to go. They're not something that was really a thing ever.
Smoke generator started.
But it's
Enemy
for
force
gaming,
detected.
so. Ooh, hello, monitor. I'm gonna watch out for that guy. He will end me in a quickness.
All stations, concentrate fire on the target. All stations requesting fire on the designated target.
So he has smoke, so it means he doesn't have radar.
Good show.
Ooh, first blood goes to Des Moines.
Smoke
Good
screen
job,
set.
Des Moines. Catty cat call. Catty cat. Catty cat. And I screw up right here.
Acknowledged.
Not realizing I almost had the cap and I'm right next to the border and I flip out. Damn it. Oh well. Uh-oh.
Attention.
We got a
Reporting the
hero
target
coming
position.
this way.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
That Corsage over there, he's the hybrid. Alright. Get a couple good licks in on him. Set a fire. They've lost 2, we've lost 1. Yeah, I'm not sticking around. Too many guns, too close.
Engine boost deactivated.
Get the hell out of here. That's the monitor firing up his guns.
I need help.
That boat
All
used to
stations
be a
requesting
killer.
fire
I
on
don't
the
know if they
designated
nerfed it or
target.
something. But I don't see
All
it
forces
doing what it
capture
used to
that
do.
area.
The monitor in Des Moines used to be big time killers. Very OP. And I misjudged this one, watch. Should have let him a little more. Thought he might just hang out in the cap there for a minute. But no.
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
He's trying to break our momentum.
Requesting assistance.
He's suiciding for the benefit of his team. Now this maneuver could work. And I should have held my guns here. That was a very smart move to do. Got a couple licks on him. And smoke up.
Smoke generator started. All stations, reporting the position of a strategic target. Problem solved, sir.
Come on, baby. Get a couple licks in on him.
Enemy cruiser detected.
Torpedoes?
Smoke screen
That's not
set.
good. God dang, that's a tough boat.
Fire on the designated target.
And I need to watch out because the monitor's coming my way. Hanging out in the smoke too long. Come on, buddy. Pull your head out of your ass. Overshot. Overshot. Overshot.
Reporting the target position. Enemy battleship detected.
There we go.
Enemy cruiser sighted.
Oh, that's a Corsage. Yep.
Torpedoes astern.
Yep. Here they come.
Torpedoes astern.
That's
Engine
the monitor.
boost activated. Torpedoes to starboard. Torpedoes to port. Torpedoes dead ahead.
Ooh, that's close.
All
I need to
stations,
haul ass.
concentrate fire on the target. Torpedoes to port.
And he's got me spotted. Damn it. There's the monitor. I let him get too close.
Torpedoes astern. Torpedoes astern.
Still got me
Torpedoes
spotted.
astern.
Oh,
Torpedoes
crap.
to port.
Crap. 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 Alright, I'm no longer spotted.
All stations requesting
Because
fire
the
on the
smokes
designated
means
target.
you can't have radar, so I'm good. My games today have been hit and miss. Sometimes I get a good team, sometimes I don't. I haven't done anything really spectacular today. Just dull, everyday grind. But I felt like posting something. Alright, pushing up to A.
Affirmative. Engine boost deactivated.
Van Orange, Prince Von Orange is dead. Hanover got him. Good. Good, good, good. It's still up in the air. Decent fight. He's still laying smoke.
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
Hoping, hoping, hoping. Those torpedoes are just hope. Here comes his aircraft again. Yeah, might as well light him up. Get rid of them sooner than later.
Smoke generator started.
Alright. That Kearsarge is gone, I think. Yep, he's on the inside of that island. Where is that monitor? He's my threat right now. He's a big threat to me. Do not want to tangle with him
Smoke
if I don't
screen
have
set.
to. Ooh, 2 of their boats go down. Hanover and Halford got him. There we
Concentrate
go.
fire on the
There
designated
we
target.
go. That did him. Now, come on, boys.
Enemy battleship sighted.
Gotta kill him right now. Got him.
Enemy cruiser sunk.
Yoshino, hello. I didn't realize you were that close.
Torpedoes to starboard.
Thank you, Vladimir. Whatever the hell that's called. Okay, there's gonna be torpedoes coming from the monitor.
Torpedoes to port.
Yep, there they are.
Torpedoes to port.
Yeah, that game's all but over. Somebody's dueling over there in B. A couple of ships having at it. Don't see which one. Kearsarge is still full health almost. Alright, we got the cap. We're way ahead. Yes, the scores are flipped. Oh, Los Andes got him. Burnt him down.
Engine boost activated.
Alright, this is the guy that needs
Attention.
to die.
Reporting the target position.
There goes the Humphreys. Bird got him. And this is farm some XP. Because I really don't expect to kill this guy. He's about at my gun's max range. Overshot. And he's got a bit of a pucker factor going on, I bet. Unless he has, of course, resigned himself to his fate. I can't hit shit. Whoa. Come on, somebody get him. Somebody get him. Somebody get this guy. There it is, Los Andes got him. For the win. I didn't do terrible. Yeah, that's alright. It's pretty good. Only 1 kill. 2 aircraft. Des Moines got first blood, but ended up dying. Venezia got Dreadnought, didn't kill anything. Valparaiso, oh, yeah, Valparaiso. That was the name. That's a Spanish boat, I think. Close quarter expert. And the Hanover. Just a flesh wound. This guy, Los Andes, did good. Monitor. Didn't kill anything. The bane of my existence. Kearsarge. Didn't kill anything. Bane of my existence. And what did I do? Hey, that's not bad. That's pretty good spotting damage. Not spectacular. And that was on the monitor. Almost 13-minute battle. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed and have a good one.